Hello everyone, welcome to AllMaths with Feyi. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to convert a number from any given base to base 10. Base 10 is a very important base. It's very important we know how to convert from any base to base 10. As I said in my introduction video, that base 10 is the base that we use in our everyday mathematics presently before we understand the knowledge of, before you get exposed to the concept of other bases. Is what we use in everyday mathematics and arithmetics. So that explains why you should know how to convert from any base to this particular base 10. So to do this, you follow these steps I've listed below. Identify the digits of the number you want to convert and their position. Then you multiply each digit by the base. That's the initial base you're coming from. Not just the base, but the base raised to the power of the position. And this position of the digits, you are counting from the right to the left, starting at 0. Then you sum the results together. This may be looking abstract. Let's go to an example. Here, we are converting 1312, a base 4 number, to base 10. The first step is to recognize the digits you are converting. Here, these are digits we are converting. We are converting 1, 3, 1, and 2. Then you multiply by the initial base, in this case, base 4. So you're multiplying 1 by 4. You multiply each of the digits. Put your addition sign. You multiply 3 by 4. I like having my addition sign standing out in this particular expression. Multiplying 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 1 by 4. Add it together. Then the last but not the least, 2 multiplied by 4. Now, not just the base, but the base raised to the power of the position. And this position, we are counting it from the right to the left, starting at 0. Meaning that the position for 2 here is 0. Meaning that 4 raised to the power of 0, you start this way. Raised to the power of 1 here, starting from the right to the left, followed by 2, 3. If you have more numbers here, you continue. 4 raised to the power of 4, 5, 6, and so on. Let's take it again. Recognize the digits you are converting. In this case, 1, 3, 1, 2. Then you multiply by the initial base you're coming from. In this case, 4. But not just 4. You need that initial base, which is 4, raised to the power of the position. This one, don't crack your head. Just take the base, multiply by 0, raised to the power of 0, 1, 2, 3. You continue. Just start from 0. Any base you are converting from, start from 0. Raised to the power of 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So let's go ahead and simplify this. So we're having 1 multiplied by 4 raised to the power of 3. 4 raised to the power of 3, let me shift this in here, is not 4 times 3, rather it's 4 times 4 times 4. Please take note. This is in a topic called indices. Maybe if you want us to talk about indices in a subsequent video, you can call my attention to it in the comment section. 4 raised to the power of 3 is 4 times 4 times 4, which is what? 64. Plus is intact. 3 multiplied by 4 raised to the power of 2 will be 4 times 4, which is 16. Addition is intact. You see how we simplify step by step. 1 multiplied by 4 raised to the power of 1 is 4. Addition is intact. 2 multiplied by 4 raised to the power of 0. Now, 4 is anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. Anything. In fact, Feyi raised to the power of 0 is 1. X raised to the power of 0 is 1. 50 raised to the power of 0 is 1. Anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. So we have it 1. So now it's getting simpler. That's what we mean by simplification. 1 multiplied by 64 is 64. Addition. 3 multiplied by 16, 48. Add it. 1 multiplied by 4 is 4. Add it. Plus 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. If you add this carefully together, you should have 118. meaning that 1312, a base 4 number, is equal to 118, a base 10 number. If you follow my example carefully, I want you to play with this. Convert 205, a base 6 number, to base 10. If you follow the step carefully, you should arrive at 77 in base 10. I want you to lay your hands on this. I want you to practice this, and I want to hear your feedback in the comment section.